Well, hey there, Tom. How you doing, buddy? Huh? You doing good? Have you been doing catnip? Where did you learn to do this? That's it. We're watching an instructional 80s video featuring Ronald Reagan about this. You're in big trouble, Tom. Dang it, the internet's out. Alright, I'm gonna call my friend to come help me with the router, and as soon as I get it working, you and me are watching that video. James?
Hey, Jack.
Hey, I need your help.
With what?
With the router.
Again?
Yeah, it's messing up. I need you right away.
Okay, does this have anything to do with drugs?
Yeah, it's about my cat, Tom.
Okay, I'll be there.
Alright, I'll see you when you get here. Hey James, what's going on?
What's up, buddy?
Alright, come on in. Let's go.
How's it going?
What are you wearing?
Just stole this from the resale shop, so,
Alright, well the router's downstairs, buddy. Just, go make yourself at home. Hey. Alright, well, here it is. Good old Comcast Xfinity router. You can go ahead and take a look at it. It's just busting again. And Comcast gave me a time window from now until my deathbed, so, you know, I don't know what exactly to do.
well, I actually know exactly what to do.
Really?
Step 1. Make sure you have a functioning router with a functioning service provider. Step 2. Make sure the device is on and all wires are properly connected. Step 3. Check the lights on top of your router to make sure all of them are glowing. Once this is ready, then you're set.
Well, I guess that's it, huh? It's all hooked up?
Nope, not yet.
Step 4. Go to 1.0.0.01 for your router's admin options, then log in using the information given by your service provider. Check to make sure all services are online and ready to go, then test it with a website like YouTube. If it works, then you're ready to go.
Well, alright. I guess it works. Hey, good job, James.
Don't thank me, Jack. Thank your local library.
Alright, Tom. Now it's time for you to learn about how to be drug-free. Alright, Tom. I'm going to put you on here with an iPhone that's connected to Wi-Fi. Hope you learned your lesson, Tom. I kind of hate being harsh, but, you know, this is the only way you're going to learn that drugs are bad. That's why I just stick to the natural stuff.